नित्यानन्द नित्यानन्द अरुणगिरीश्वर नित्यानन्द नित्यानन्द अरुणाचलेश्वर नित्यानन्द 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 नित्यनिधीश्वर नित्यानन्द 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 नित्यसद्गुरु नित्यानन्द श्रीमातृरूपेण नित्यानन्द नित्यानन्द पाण्ड्यमहादेवी नित्यानन्द नित्यानन्द मीनाक्षी अवतारा नित्यानन्द नित्यानन्द अर्धनारीश्वरा नित्यानन्द 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 नित्यनिधीश्वर नित्यानन्द 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 नित्यसद्गुरु नित्यानन्द करुणामयमूर्ति नित्यानन्द नित्यानन्द कमलालय कीर्ति नित्यानन्द नित्यानन्द आनन्द परशान्ति नित्यानन्द नित्यानन्द आत्मालय कान्ति नित्यानन्द 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 नित्यनिधीश्वर नित्यानन्द 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 नित्यसद्गुरु नित्यानन्द हरिहर सागर नित्यानन्द अमृत शेखर नित्यानन्द द्वैताद्वैत नित्यानन्द त्रिगुणातीत नित्यानन्द 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 नित्यनिधीश्वर नित्यानन्द नित्यसद्गुरु नित्यानन्द पूरण कारण आगमधारण पूरण कारण आगमधारण आदिगुरुनाथ श्री चतुर्वेद सर्वसंरक्षक सन्मार्गनायक महाभावेन लिंगोद्भवेन आनन्दरूपेण नित्यानन्द 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 नित्यनिधीश्वर नित्यानन्द नित्यसद्गुरु नित्यानन्द
ॐ नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Tanidhar Kotari, visitors, viewers, all the living and practicing Hindus all over the world. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. All the Kailasas ministers, ambassadors, diplomats, e-diplomats, citizens, consulate generals and supporters, Mantreshwaras, Vidyeshwaras, Ganeshwaras, Lokeshwaras, Astreshwaras. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. All the Paramashiva Ganas and Paramashivoham Season 11 participants. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa. Wake up by unclenching. Understand this whole world, your perception about the world, life, God, even your perception about you is the prank getting played on you by unconscious society. Unconscious human society is playing the prank on you. It's not that I am blaming the human society. Even they are not responsible because they are so unconscious. Nobody is reason, but everybody is suffering. Nobody is reason, but everybody is suffering because in collective unconsciousness, the vision was evolved for day-to-day life. That is the first thing, understand? The collective unconsciousness became a reason for the vision. Hey, listen. I want all of you to understand whether your education or what you have been taught as life, everyone, 99.99% of the human beings are taught having a luxurious couch sofa. Is the comfort and joy of life. But I tell you, having a body which can sit in Padmasana for hours is more important. I am not saying don't have couch. I am not saying don't have the luxurious sofas. I am not saying don't have luxurious seats. I am not saying don't have the costly chairs. I think some of the world's costliest chairs are mine. I am not saying don't have any of that. I am only saying that is second priority. The first priority should be learn first things first. Whole world is taught so much about food, tongue, taste. There is something called food tourism. Just for food, people travel from country to country. I can't imagine. Oh God. All right, it's okay. I'm not even saying don't travel for food. It's okay. I'm only trying to tell, learn intermittent fasting also. For example, today we had Kapila Sashti. I ate solid food. At least for next 10 or 15 days, I'll be in Nirahara Samyama. I want all of you to know now I made it like almost only once in 2 months or 3 months. Only during Maheshwara Puja I am having solid food. I am enjoying my happy food-free lifestyle. I'm only trying to do the next thing. Just through Nirahara, just through the power manifestation, trying to build six-pack. Soon you will see. Want to make this science available for the world. Wanted to establish by burning the fat through the conscious energy, you can build muscles without any external support. Working on it. Anyhow, listen. First things first. Whether you feel respected, disrespected, supported, or exploited, oversexed or undersexed, wealthy or poor, understand all your perception about you is the prank society is playing on you. You can play prank on pranksters. I'll give you the technique to play prank on pranksters. People who are trying to play prank on you, you can play prank on them. How? Some of the pranksters, both of the whole team is paid actors. They enact the prank, but the viewers are thinking it's a real spontaneous happening and getting pranked. I tell you, you can play the prank on the pranksters in multi-level if you learn this one trick, one technique. Extremely peaceful, unclutching, at least for 21 minutes a day. At least 21 minutes you should feel away from your perceptions invaded personality. Understand? You forgot to perceive you without others' perceptions invading you. Just at least half an hour feel your individuality without the perceptions invaded personality. So many perceptions about you from others has invaded your personality, and even you started believing that your personality perceived by others is you. No. Listen. The greatest wealth of a life, the greatest wealth you should accumulate from life is your ability to sit with your individuality without the perception invaded personality. I tell you, I'll give you example from my own life. I am Paramashiva. Nityananda Paramashivam. This is my individuality, my experience of me. Niti is the perceptions invaded personality built by Dravish boys. Listen. The individual's sexual perversions. See, every individual has very low, cheap taste, the beast mentality. Till you are enlightened, you will have that beast mentality. Every individual will have that. Every person will have that. The Dravish gang media, which triggers that individual's sexual perversions, they constantly create this kind of masala news, masala identities. Listen to this statement carefully. When Dravish gangsters rape your sexual perversion, the illegitimate child born is Niti image. I am very clear. I am Nityananda and I have nothing to do with Niti. I can see very clearly from distance the image manipulated and manifested by the Dravish gang. The perception invaded personality. The Dravish gang is trying to create, and my pure individuality. I can clearly see the ultimate luxury a man should earn in his life is ability to see his pure space away from perception invaded personalities built around him or inside him. Please understand. This foundation of unclutching, whenever you unclutch, I can manifest powers in you just like that. I can just make Paramashiva explode in you. Understand? The perceptions by others, perceptions by others on you, but even you started believing it as you. This whole mess is what I call delusion. See, at least half an hour a day, have the freedom to sit with yourself absolutely unclutched, I tell you. If you start this simple unclutching, you will know whether to go behind the society's instigations, triggering, teaching, or to go behind Guru and Kailas. Listen. Difficulty is not in the travel, difficulty is only your decision to decide which side you should travel. Life is travel. You will be traveling in some direction. That is not difficulty. Just by inhaling and exhaling and living, you are traveling. The whole difficulty is making the right decision which direction you should travel. Simple unclutching. Few days before, I was telling in the satsang that night time put a ice cube, ice pack or a wet towel on your stomach and fall asleep. While you are doing that, if you unclutch, even that will be a very powerful way of unclutching. I tell you, anyone who unclutches in the night time while you are falling asleep with a wet cloth on your stomach, literally you will experience Turiya in your dream state. Understand? The heat in the stomach can get converted into a Jataragni, pure energy, by cooling it with a wet towel. Understand? The heat in the stomach is more like a smoke, not the pure fire. The pure fire is the energy you experience. But the heat you experience in the stomach is more like a smoke. It's not pure fire. If you put the wet towel, the smoke will reduce and the pure fire will be experienced by you. Strong stomach, strong guts will make you experience higher states of consciousness. Even this big jata, heavy jata on the head, I realize by continuously carrying this, it directly works on your stomach and makes your guts so strong, especially when you sit in Padmasana with this heavy jata. I want all my kids to learn this as a practice. All my kids have heavy jata, and even while you are sitting and doing your work like a class, reading, doing office work, any time, always learn to sit in Padmasana and do your work. Heavy jata, Padmasana makes your whole body so strong. It's like a continuous workout for your spine and stomach. Everything has to be very aligned, aligning your body to the cosmic geometry. It's like you are constantly alive in Turiya and Turiyadita, in the space of Paramashiva. See, if you are already old and you feel, oh, I cannot have this jata, this Padmasana. My definition of old is impossibility enveloping you. When the impossibility engulfs you, you are old. Quickly die. Let the planet Earth be free. Impossibilities engulfing you is what I define as old. All my kids learn the first things first. Strong guts. Paramashiva describes about himself in Agama, his selfie, his verbal selfie, mantra swarupa selfie. See, Paramashiva gives dhyana sloka about himself. He describes himself in Agama. That's what I call mantra selfie. When somebody else describes Paramashiva, that is like a mantra photograph. When he himself describes himself, it's called mantra selfie. The mantra selfie of Paramashiva, he says, I feel like eternal 16. 16 is supposed to be the peak health of your guts. All the internal organs, especially guts. He says, I feel like eternal 16. I tell you. This sleeping with a wet towel on the stomach, Batmasana continuously as much as possible. All this will give you a powerful guts and ability to unclutch from perceptions invaded, perceptions embedded personality, which even you start believing as you for some times. I tell you, because I know me as pure individual and I have liberated myself from all the perception-based, perception invaded, perception embedded personality, because I liberated myself from Niti. Nityananda never allowed Niti inside him. If I allowed Niti inside Nityananda, Ananda would have been lost. No, I retained my Ananda and continue to be Nityananda by not allowing Niti inside me. Understand? Because I never allowed the perception embedded personality in me. I always see you also without any perception embedded individuality, without any perception embedded personality. And as a pure individual, I see you. Listen carefully. I may keep distance from few people, but I can never hate anyone. I never hate. How I liberated myself. How I never allowed perception invaded, perception embedded personality inside me. I never allowed it. I kept my individuality free from this perception based personality. Because I value my individuality and freedom, I value your individuality and freedom. I see you as a pure individuality and as a pure possible Paramashiva. Every one of you is pure possible Paramashiva. Understand? When you see a rich man, you feel, you plan, can you some way associate with him and become part of his wealth? When you see each person, you have your perception and plans. When I see each one of you, my perception about you is pure individuality. My plan for you is, can I somehow trigger the Paramashiva consciousness in you and make you also feel Paramashiva? That's all is my perception about you and my plan for you. Constantly I will trigger. Constantly I will trigger. I will trigger the Paramashiva in you. When I say have a wet towel on your stomach night while you fall asleep, it's one of the triggering method of Paramashiva consciousness in you. When I say stop this stupid habit of continuous eating, I am just triggering the Paramashiva possibility in you. When I say unclutch, I am pressing the panic button and waking up. Paramashiva possibility in you. I tell you, even if you try half an hour a day, try to play this Paramashiva game. This unclutching is the Paramashiva game. See very clearly, the personality invaded by perceptions. The society has put a lot of perceptions about you, hopes on you, expectations on you, tortures. That is your personality. Your pure individuality is happy, peaceful, blissful space. Retire from this personality at least for half an hour and rest in your individuality. At least half an hour a day, not more than that. I am not even expecting too much from you. Half an hour for a day. Even if you struggle with this, in few days you will understand, wow, what Swamiji says is right. Even for 1 or 2 minutes, if I perceive my unclutched space, wow, I know the prank world is playing on me. I know the prank humanity is trying to play on me. I know the prank unconscious society is trying to play on me. Understand? When you know the unconscious society trying to play prank on you, you will wake up to liberate yourself. Hey, listen. Listen. All the 5 perceptions you carry about sex, all the 7 perceptions you carry about death, I will explain all these 5, 7, everything. Why I am saying 5, because the Mooladhara has a 4 petal and center core. That's why 5. Mooladhara is the chakra, the sex chakra. Swadhisthana carries 7. It's actually the 7 perceptions of death, 5 perceptions of sex, 7 perceptions of death. All these 11 perceptions of love, all this is absolute delusion. Please understand, it is not, I am not even saying it is false or lie. If I say it is false, you will try to argue with me. Oh, you don't know, Swamiji. I am really undersexed. It is a truth. It's not false. It is based on the facts. Hey, listen. Anything I say, true or false, you will start arguing. It is not lie, it is this, it is that, all that I am telling you. This very fundamental foundation perception is delusion, I tell you. If you know the joy of remaining in ecstasy internally through unclutching, externally whether somebody touches you or not, this whole perception about the sexual activity and the sex gender identity, the whole thing is delusion. Same way about fear. The multiple definitions, reactions, responses to fear, the whole thing is nothing but your false idea of discontinuity. Listen, there is no discontinuity. You learn the truth of continuous discontinuity happening in you and learn the truth of there is never going to be any discontinuity other than the discontinuity is happening continuously in you now. If Anitya is going to be, that is there now in you. See, the death which is happening in you every moment, that is the only death there. There is no separate death you are going to be experiencing during your so-called death. What is going on in you now, the same thing only will be going on, will go on when during your so-called death also. Listen. Now trying to forget, cover up the continuous death happening in you is looseness, crankiness, and trying to exaggerate and feel frightened about the death which is going to happen during your so-called death is craziness. Both are stupidity. See the death happening now continuously in you by unclutching. Realize there is not going to be any separate death even during your so-called death. It is just Control Delete button. Anyone understands this, your internal organs will be just like a sweet 16 forever. Inside you, you will be in sweet 16 and alive, active, constantly working. Constantly working. Sometimes I feel very compassionate to people who are around me, especially Adinavasis, how they are coping up with my aliveness, too much alive, and too much of activism, and ability to perceive things, and ability to plan, and ability to but I tell you, it is all established on tremendous compassion and love. Even this, my withdrawal from society and back to Kailasa is also my extreme compassion, because people, due to their stupidity, and stupid perceptions, they try to attack me and accumulate more karmas. See, if I am with the humanity, I should be initiating, blessing, enlightening. But the stupid fellows try to harass me, attack me, and accumulate more karmas. I do not want them to have more karmas. So I just withdrew myself. I tell you, even half an hour unclenching a day, you will literally feel, as Paramashiva describes himself, Shodashapta yutam gantam suprasannam smidananam. Hey, all my kids, write this at least 11 times today. It's a Kamikagama, Purvabada, chapter 4, Archana Vitipatalam, sloka number 332. I am giving you the Shastra Pramana. Shodasapta yudam kantam suprasannam smitananam. Eternal age of 16 years, supremely beautiful and auspiciously charming, face beautified with gentle smile. All of you, write this, all my kids. Write this 11 times today and meditate on this. O Mahadeva, be in this space inside me. Let me enjoy you as this manifestation inside me. With this prayer, unclutch today. Unclutch from everything and offer yourself to Paramashiva, requesting him, O Mahadeva, please manifest your this dimension in me. Shodasapta yudam gantam suprasannam smitananam. This is Sadashiva Dhyana. Eternal age of 16 years, supremely beautiful and auspiciously charming, face beautified with gentle smile. Shodasapta yudam gantam suprasannam smitananam. Repeat this and meditate on this. I tell you. While you fall asleep in the night time, or when you wake up early morning, or when you sit unclutched, tell Paramashiva, Mahadeva, I am unclutching, at least trying to unclutch. Please, you manifest in this space inside me. I know you exist. Understand? Knowing Paramashiva exists and doing everything towards him is white magic. Just thinking arrogantly you can achieve everything on your own is black magic. That's all. The only difference between white magic and black magic is surrender to Paramashiva is white magic. It is not even white or black. He is colorful. He is golden. I can't even say it's white magic. He is beyond white, black. He is golden and colorful. Understand? The beauty of Vedagamas is it teaches you highest knowledge and highest surrender. I can talk the highest principles of enlightenment and have tears in the corner of my eyes just by remembering this one space, eternally 16. because I have seen him as Arunagiri Yogishwara. The exact this description. I have seen Mahadeva. Shodasapta yutam gantam suprasannam smitananam. I have seen him, I have tasted him as my own Guru Arunagiri Yogishwara. I have touched him, I have felt him, I have tasted him. Shodashapta yudham gantam suprasannam smitananam. I tell you, even if you struggle unclutching, try for half an hour. Your internal hormones, chemicals, as I was describing the other day, chemistry of your biology is mind. The chemistry of your biology will be aligned to the alchemistry of Paramashiva through unclutching. Unclutching is the best catalyst agent to make the chemistry of your biology align to the alchemistry of Paramashiva. Shantam Chandrakala Chudam Sarpasannata Satchatam Kadisutrodara Bandhanaihi. This is one more Shastra Pramana where Paramashiva describes himself in Kamikagama Purvabhada, 4th chapter, Archana Vidipatalam, sloka number 330 and 331, Sadashiva Dhyanam, Shantam Chandrakala Chudam Sarpasannata Sachatam Kadisutrodara Bandhanaihi. I'll read out the translation. Sachatam means Paramashiva as Jatas. Udarabandham. Udarabandhanam means the ornament tied on the abdomen stomach. Means the abdomen of Paramashiva is tied, not having belly. Paramashiva is having a controlled, strong stomach. Listen. Whatever I am trying to convey today through this satsang, whole unconscious humanity is playing prank on you. Don't get pranked. Wake up to the reality by just half an hour unclutching. Half an hour. Attempting to unclutch is also okay. I am not even saying you should master unclutching. Attempting to unclutching is also okay. But all my sannyasis and my kids, for you it is not half an hour. For you it should be whole day. Understand the level of sadhana, expectation is different for a devotee or a disciple, and it is different for a sannyasi or Kailasavasi or Gurukul kid, because you are not just preparing yourself for only your enlightenment. You are an acharya. You are going to be not only enlightened in your life, you are going to be enlightening millions of others. Today I'll initiate all of you not just unclutching, I'll initiate you into a very intense power of digestion, building a strong guts. Understand? Get your Atmalinga and put it on the stomach and sit unclutching. Now, I'm going to initiate you. Listen carefully. First, carefully listen. The power of this initiation will be such, just within next 24 hours, you will lose at least 1 kg unnecessary fat and the gas and all the unnecessary shit, undigested shit sitting on your stomach. It will leave your system, you will be clean. That unnecessary toxic load on your system, at least 1 kg will be cleared. Now, all of you get your Atmalinga, hold it on your Manipuraga chakra and sit the navel on the guts. Keep the Atmalinga and sit unclutched. Just decide to be unclutched. I'll initiate all of you now. Few minutes, I'm giving you all. Run and get your Atmalinga, sit in Batmasana. Put it on your navel, on your Manipuraga chakra. Please get ready. And everyone, please sit straight. If you are young, sit in Batmasana. Batmasana is the best way to sit. And hold the Atmalinga on your navel center, Manipuraga chakra. If you don't have Atmalinga, I think last time as I said that if you bring any linga shaped stone and keep it in front of the camera, I'll energize, do prana pratishtha, you can start using that as Atmalinga. Any stone from Arunachala hill, any stone from Kailasa and Manasarovar, any stone from Narmada river, All this need not even, all this doesn't even need prana pratishta. It's all already Paramashiva. If you don't get any of these three, stone from Arunachala or stone from Kailash Manasarovar or stone from Narmada, bring any stone and keep it in front of camera. I'll do prana pratishtha and use that as a Shivalinga, Atmalinga. Now, keep your Atmalinga on your navel chakra. Sit. You can keep your eyes closed or open, that is up to you. Decide to be unclutched. With eyes closed, if you feel it is easy for you to unclutch, you can close your eyes. For some people, even sitting with eyes open widely, you may be able to unclutch. Then do that. It is up to you. But decide to unclutch, not to follow any thoughts, emotions, triggering of mind and mental activities inside. Even laziness is a mental activity, tiredness is mental activity, feeling bored is mental activity. Do not follow any of that. Just decide. Just decide not to follow any mental activity and sit as you, the pure space. The state of Paramashiva. Paramashiva Padam, Paramashiva Gadi. Let Paramashiva Gadi manifest in all of us. Let Paramashivatvam manifest in all of us. Let Paramashiva Padam manifest in all of us. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashiva. 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 Paramashiva.
உலகெங்கும் உயிர்ப்பானவன். புவி தந்து மலை தந்து கடல் தந்து நதி தந்து முகிலாகி மழையானவன். நித்யானந்தமயமானவன், நித்யானந்தமயமானவன். ஈரேழு 14 உலகத்தை ஆட்கொண்டு எமையாளும் நடுநாயகன். இதமான தென்றலாய் இடியோடு மின்னலாய் புவி மீது புயலானவன். நித்யானந்தமயமானவன், நித்யானந்தமயமானவன். முதலாகி முடிவாகி மூச்சாகி பேச்சாகி முத்தமிழ் வித்தானவன். முளையாகி இலையாகி பிஞ்சாகி காயாகி பிரபஞ்ச கனியானவன். நித்யானந்தமயமானவன், நித்யானந்தமயமானவன். மலர் தந்து மனம் தந்து மகரந்த கனி தந்து மறைநூல்கள் பல தந்தவன். தேயாத கதிருக்கும் தேகின்ற நிலவு விண்மீனுக்கும் ஒளி தந்தவன். நித்யானந்தமயமானவன், நித்யானந்தமயமானவன். வானத்தின் மீதேறி நிலவென்னும் ஸ்ரீதேவி பூமிக்கு வந்து விட்டாள். சுடராக திருநின்ற திருவண்ணாமலையூரில் நித்யானந்த கோலம் கொண்டாள். நித்யானந்தமயமானவன், நித்யானந்தமயமானவன். கசியாத கும்பத்தில் கலங்காத தீர்த்தமாய் கமழ்கின்ற கங்கையானாள். மசியாத ஞானமுடன் பசியாத ஞானமுடன் ரிஷி மூல விசையுமானாள். நித்யானந்தமயமானவன், நித்யானந்தமயமானவன். அசைகின்ற விரல் மேவ கலைவாணி மடி மீதில் இசைகின்ற வீணையானாள். அசையாத மனதுக்குள் அம்பாளின் இசையாக ஆனந்தம் தரும் முனையானாள். நித்யானந்தமயமானவன், நித்யானந்தமயமானவன். சக்தி என்று சொன்னாலும் நீ நித்யானந்தமயமானவன், 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 நித்யானந்தமயமானவன். எதுவாக பார்த்தாலும் அதுவாக தெரிகின்ற அற்புத திருக்கோலம் நீ. குருவாக பணிவோர்க்கு பொற்பாதம் தருகின்ற கற்பக கருவூலம் நீ. நித்யானந்தமயமானவன், 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 நித்யானந்தமயமானவன். மகுடமிகு உச்சியும் மதி நிறைந்த நெற்றியும் பெற்ற பொற்றாமரை நீ. தேவார மகிமையும் திருவாசக பெருமையும் திருக்குறள் அருமையும் நீ. நித்யானந்தமயமானவன், 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 நித்யானந்தமயமானவன். இமயத்தின் உச்சியை உதயத்தின் காட்சியை இதயத்தால் தொட்டவன் நீ. வினயத்தின் ஆட்சியை விதி செய்யும் ஆட்சியை ஞானத்தில் வென்றவன் நீ. நித்யானந்தமயமானவன், 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 நித்யானந்தமயமானவன். உடலோடு உயிர் தந்து உணர்வோடு மொழி தந்து உலகெங்கும் உயிர்ப்பானவன். புவி தந்து மலை தந்து கடல் தந்து நதி தந்து முகிலாகி மழையானவன். நித்யானந்தமயமானவன், நித்யானந்தமயமானவன். ஈரேழு 14 உலகத்தை ஆட்கொண்டு எமையாளும் நடுநாயகன். இதமான தென்றலாய் இடியோடு மின்னலாய் புவி மீது புயலானவன். நித்யானந்தமயமானவன், நித்யானந்தமயமானவன். நித்யானந்தமயமானவன், 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 நித்யானந்தமயமானவன். வந்தான், வரம் தந்து எம்மை வளம் காணச் செய்தான். உளம் கொண்ட மாறான எண்ணங்கள் நீக்கி என்றும் நித்யானந்தம் கொண்டாடச் செய்தான். சரணம் குரு நித்யானந்தா, கருணை பொழிவாய் நித்யானந்தா. சரணம் குரு நித்யானந்தா, கருணை பொழிவாய் நித்யானந்தா. தன்னை மகிழ்வோடு நித்யன் விதை செய்து ஏற்றும் உயர் வாழ்வுதான் கல்பதரு தரிசன நேரம். சரணம் குரு நித்யானந்தா, கருணை பொழிவாய் நித்யானந்தா. சரணம் குரு நித்யானந்தா, கருணை பொழிவாய் நித்யானந்தா. நிறைவான காலம் கல்பதரு தரிசன நேரம், நிறைவான காலம் கல்பதரு தரிசன நேரம். சரணம் குரு நித்யானந்தா, கருணை பொழிவாய் நித்யானந்தா. சரணம் குரு நித்யானந்தா, கருணை பொழிவாய் நித்யானந்தா. யுக்தி தன்னை உணர்வுள் நிறுத்தி ஜீவன் முக்தனாக்கும் கல்பதரு தரிசன நேரம். ஜீவன் முக்தனாக்கும் கல்பதரு தரிசன நேரம். சரணம் குரு நித்யானந்தா, கருணை பொழிவாய் நித்யானந்தா. சரணம் குரு நித்யானந்தா, கருணை பொழிவாய் நித்யானந்தா. தாங்கி நித்யன் யுகம் காக்க வந்தான், வரம் தந்து எம்மை வளம் காணச் செய்தான். உளம் கொண்ட மாறான எண்ணங்கள் நீக்கி என்றும் நித்யானந்தம் கொண்டாடச் செய்தான். சரணம் குரு நித்யானந்தா, கருணை பொழிவாய் நித்யானந்தா. சரணம் குரு
தெய்வம் இங்கு வருமோ, வேண்டும் வரம் தன்னை கல்பதரு தரிசனம் வேங்கை மனம் தன்னை கட்டுள் வைத்து பெரும் வெற்றி வாழ்வதனை தந்துவிடும் குரு நித்யானந்தன் கல்பதரு தரிசனம் வேங்கை மனம் தன்னை கட்டுள் வைத்து பெரும் வெற்றி வாழ்வதனை தந்துவிடும் குரு நித்யானந்தன் கல்பதரு தரிசனம் குரு நித்யானந்தன் கல்பதரு தரிசனம் தாங்கும் நித்தின் பாதம் தன்னை அடையும் தாயின் மடி தாவும் சேயாய் உருகும் தாங்கும் நித்தின் பாதம் தன்னை அடையும் தாயின் மடி தாவும் சேயாய் உருகும் தேகம் மனரோகம் எல்லாம் விலகும் தேகம் மனரோகம் எல்லாம் விலகும் தெய்வீகனி
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्। With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. The state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailas of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
श्रीकैलासोन्नतद्वादशान्तश्यामलापीठारूढ श्रीमीनाक्षिसुन्दरेश्वरा भिन्नस्वरूप परशिवपुत्ररत्न कुमार गुरुमण्यतुल्यावतार श्रीपार्वतीस्तन्यपानलब्धदिव्यज्ञान विश्रुतसकलनिगमागमसारभूतद्राविडवेदप्रवक्त्रे श्रीमत्परमशिवकरुणासमधिगतमुक्तामयचतुरश्रयान् गीयमानछत्रचामर श्रीचिह्नकाहलादिसमस्तबिरदावल्यलङ्कृत ज्ञानविज्ञानचक्रवर्ती सर्वजनसङ्घसद्यो निर्वाणदीक्षा व्ययापवर्गवर्ष विश्राण जीमूत परमतकलभकेसरी शैवसिद्धान्तस्थापनाचार्य श्रीराजाधिराजपाण्ड्यमहाराजगुरु क्षपणशाक्यादिमहान्धकारनिवारणज्ञानभानु वीक्षणानर्हार्हध्वजोच्छेदनपूर्वक श्रीमद्वृषभध्वजस्थापक शैवसमयकर्त्रे सर्वज्ञपीठारूढ श्रीजगद्गुरु श्रीज्ञानसम्बन्धदेशिकस्वामि वागीशसुन्दरमाणिक्यवाचकस्वामिनाम् अवतारभूत श्रीज्ञानसम्बन्धस्वामि पुनरुद्धृत श्यामलापीठ सर्वज्ञपीठ त्रिनवत्युत्तरद्विशततम गुरुमहासन्निधान अरुणगिरियोगीश्वर परम्परागत अरुणाचल सर्वज्ञपीठ गुरुमहासन्निधान कैलास परम्परागत काञ्ची कैलास सर्वज्ञपीठ त्रयस्त्रिंशदुत्तरद्विशततम गुरुमहासन्निधान नित्योत्सव नित्यमङ्गल नित्यकल्याण नित्यरजित कैलास परम्परागत आदिकैलास नित्यानन्दपीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासन पीठकर्तः साक्षात् श्री परमशिव समुद्भूत कैलास परम्परागत वैवस्वतमनु इक्ष्वाकु हरिश्चन्द्र भगीरथ श्रीरामचन्द्र शूरसेन इत्यादि अनवच्छिन्न सार्वभौम चक्रवर्ति परम्परागत चतुष्षष्टि योगिनी मण्डित चतुष्षष्टि सम्प्रदाय प्रवर्तक मनुधर्मशासन सूर्यवंश प्राप्त सर्वज्ञपीठ सुराङ्गी साम्राज्य मूर्धाभिषिक्त चूडामणे साक्षात् श्री परमशिव समुद्भूत कपिल महागुरु पुनरुद्धृत महानिर्वाणिपीठ अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री महामण्डलेश्वर साक्षात् श्री परमशिव सिंहासनाभिषिक्त समस्त गणनायक श्री महागणपति समारंभ अनवच्छिन्न पीठाधीश्वर गुरु परंपरा प्राप्त अटल पीठ अष्टोत्तर सहस्र श्री अटल पीठाधीश्वर धर्म मुक्ति स्वर्गपुर स्वर्ण पीठ त्रयोविंश गुरु महासन्निधान कैलास परम्परागत आदिपीठ सर्वज्ञपीठ जगद्गुरो श्री कैलास पुनरुद्धारक श्री कैलास परमाचार्य श्रीमत्परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य वर्य सच्चिदानन्द प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ श्रीमज्जगद्गुरु श्रील श्री भगवत् श्री नित्यानंद परमशिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिन् अत्रागत्य परिपाल्य च अस्मान् विज्ञान वितरणेन विजयी भव जय जय